Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get Modanisa modest hijab fashion in your Android phone and your iPhone. Okay, so the name of the app Modanisa modest hijab fashion. So you can see the rating of the app 4.3 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so we consider that the app is really good. And you can see the reviews, 93k reviews. It means 93,000 people rate something about this app, and a 30 megabyte size of the app, and you can see 10 million plus people already download this app or uses this app. So discover the latest modest fashion trends, enjoy worldwide free express shipping. Okay, so this is globally app. If you want to get any dress or any fashion clothes, so this app is available, this marketplace is available for you. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.